You are.
What?
Gay! Yeah!
And this is Edward Colin and his gay homo self.
Yeah! Alan's gay!
Hey, Edward, who do you like better?
Breakfast.
Edward! Hey, who do you like better? Jacob or Jasper? Who's better?
I don't know.
Would you do both of them if you had a chance?
No, I think it is Jacob because he's dope and sexy.
Oh no! Did you hear that?
Special abs.
Oh, you Jacob fangirls, you got competition!
Special
Go
abs.
Edward!
His abs are so big and awesome.
And what do you have to say about this?
He's a freaking man whore.
Edward, you're a man whore. Oh no!
Call Jacob because I found a mattress.
Oh! It's even on the mattress. There's the mattress!
I got it. No, the mattress he wants for Jacob. Come on.
Oh!
Come on, Jacob.
Yep, Edward. Edward is now competition for all you Jacob loving fans.
Come on, Jacob.